Students, today we shall start a new chapter from the book. It so happened that is a supplementary book, and the name of the lesson is The Selfish Giant. It is written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was one of the Irish writer. He wrote short stories and novels, and he was born on October 16, 1854 at Westland Row, Dublin. His father's name was William Wilde and Esperanza was his mother. He got his higher education from Trinity College, Dublin and Macdonald College, Oxford. His books are The Picture of Dorian Gray, The Happy Prince, The Canterville Ghost, The Selfish Giant that you are going to read, and he was passed away on November 30, 1900 at Paris, France. Now the lesson, The Selfish Giant. As you see the title, there is giant means devil, and the devil that was introvert, selfish, that did not think about others, only thought about himself. So in this story, the selfish giant had one of the garden. In that garden, after the schooling, children at the time of return from the school, children stayed there and played, and birds used to sing on the branches of the tree. But later on, when it came in the notice of giant, he scared the children away, did not allow them to play in the garden. Then when the children stopped playing in the garden, there was the winter season came, and there was hail, there was north wind, there was snow, ice, means there was always cold, and no spring season came in that garden. Later on, he noticed one of the boy on the tree, branches of the tree, and he was struggling to come down. He became pitiful and he helped the boy to come down from the tree, and actually the boy was Jesus Christ himself. And after then the winter vanished and again spring season came. So see the lines of the lesson. Every afternoon as they were coming from school, in the afternoon time, every day, students, children used to reach in the garden. Children used to go and play in the giant's garden. In the garden of the giant, they used to go and play in that garden every day after the school in the afternoon time. It was a large, lovely garden. The garden was big and it was attractive with soft green grass. In that garden, it was full of grass, and the grass was very gentle and soft. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers. Here and there at some places there were flowers also on the grass, above the grass, like stars, and they were as much shining as the stars. They were shining like stars. What were shining like stars? The flowers. The flowers were shining like stars. And there were 12 peach trees. In that garden, there were peach trees, and they were 12 in number, that in the spring time broke out into delicate blossoms. In the spring season, in the autumn season, there were soft flowers came from that trees. Which tree? That peach trees. Springtime broke out into the delicate means soft flowers came out. Broke out means came out. From where? From the branches of the trees, peach trees, of the pink and pearl. Color of the flowers were pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. In the autumn season, the boughs, the trees, the branches of the tree were covered with good quantity of fruit. The birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly. The birds used to sit on the boughs of the trees and they sang sweet songs that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. And children stopped their games because they wanted to listen the sweet song of the birds. How happy we are here. They exclaimed that they were very happy in that garden. They cried to each other, they shouted to each other. Now I think these paragraphs are clear. Now note down the questions. Question number first, from where were the children coming? Next question, how was the garden? And last question, how did the children stop their games? Thank you.